Yeah, we were very much in need of this bus because we had lots of problems, because every time the bus would break down, and then we had to make alternate arrangements to bring the students to the campus. So it was a great help. I mean, Paradip Phosphates, we are very thankful to them for donating this bus to us.
So we put up a proposal to financiers in diesel or maybe maintenance work, and maybe if you have a second-hand bus, just give. He says, I will see. Put up the proposal. So we put the proposal up through manager Sebi and our society member Savio Barreto, and then the rest is history. What you all know about it.
हांव तेंच्या इस्कॉलान आयिल्लो सादारण जुलयच्या म्हयन्यान सुमार तेन्ना तांणी एक रिक्वेस्ट केली की खूब प्रॉब्लम्स आसा आमचे बसीचे भुरग्यांचे तुमी मातशें सॉल्व करपाक शकता काय ना विचार करात तेन्ना हांवें तांकां विचार म्हणलें की तुमी रायटिंगान दिया CSR कमिटी कडेन हांव पुटअप करता आनी जर समजा शक्य आसा जाल्यार आमी विचार करुया ताचेर सो त्या दृश्टींतल्यान तांणी एक प्रपोजल दिलें आमकां आनी निलेश सर जे आमचे कमिटी चेअरमॅन आसात आमचे सूर्यकांत सर आसात कमिटीचे आनी आनंद सर आसा महेश्वरी सर आसात तांचे कडेन आमी डिस्कस केलें आनी ताजे उपरांत आमी डिसिजन घेतलें की येस हे आमचे इस्कॉल जे आसा ते सामकें क्लोज बाय इस्कॉल आसा आनी त्या इस्कॉला खातीर आमी कितें ना कितें तरी करपाक जाय त्या दृश्टींतल्यान आमी बस हांगासर तांकां डोनेट केली.
As a part of CSR, we are almost always focused on health and education. If you have seen in the recent past, we have conducted a lot of health camps, and as a part of this, we do have scholarships and other smaller initiatives for the education purpose. So in line with that, we have decided about this bus, wherein that was a real need of this particular educational institution, wherein we are part of this Welsam village, very much part of this Welsam village. So we thought of this as a initiative from the education point of view to support this institution.
When was this proposal put to you? And today, when we heard that even the school was surprised.
Even for us, while we were conducting all our CSR activities, and it was very fast. It was very quick and fast. That the team came into me, and the way that it was put in, and whole of our CSR team, really felt yes, this is one endeavor which we can definitely do, and it was very quick. I think Tendulkar, it is 2 months.
Yeah. Almost 1.5 months kind of.
1.5 months or 2 months, we could achieve this actually. Yes.
It was really the need of our school. For the last 2-3 years, we were thinking of, in fact, buying a second-hand bus, but due to paucity of funds, we just could not. Through the Paradip Phosphates Limited, their CSR project manager, Mr. Tendulkar, when he had come in our school to give the scholarship, had a discussion with our headmistress, Mrs. Vilma, and she just put it across, not about the bus, but just for some help. But when our chairman happened to be there at that particular time, she discussed it with Tendulkar regarding the bus. And he said, no, I don't think so, we'll be able to help you all out. But after a few days, a call came back from their company that just put a proposal. Then myself and their ex-member and the society member, Mr. Savio, we went, had a meeting with Nilesh, and he understood our plea. He didn't promise, but he said, we'll look into the matter. But within 8 days, we got a shock news that your proposal has been accepted. We were really happy, we were in need of it. The reason, because the Bal Rath, the government which has given, is around 14 years old. On and off it breaks down. After continuous proposals to the government in our meetings earlier, the government did not give any heed to it. And even the maintenance was put on us, though it was said that the money, grants are given, but the maintenance we were managing, it was really difficult. So we are very thankful to the Paradip Phosphates Limited for coming to our rescue and helping in our need.